Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is Snoop Dogg's shrimp Alfredo, and it is absolutely amazing. You're going to take one lemon and zest it and then slice it really thinly, picking out all the seeds. And then to a pan I have some melted butter and I'm going to swirl that around and then place all the lemon slices in there. I've never done this before, so I thought that was really interesting. You're also supposed to have smashed garlic, which I'm a garlic jar type person, so that's what I used, and I'm going to add that in a little bit. But you want to cook the lemons for about 5 minutes to get all the juices out. So I will add my garlic in, and then I ended up dumping the shrimp in there as well. And I will put the full recipe below in the description box and also link the cookbook. Everything I've tried in the cookbook has been so good. So highly recommend it. It would make a really good gift now that Christmas is upon us. But I'm adding the shrimp, and that doesn't take too long to cook. But once the shrimp is done, you can pick out all the lemons. So I have them on a plate, and then you just discard those. And then I also took another plate and scooped out all the shrimp and set that aside for now so we could finish making the sauce. So I'm adding some salt and some cream. And after I whisked that around for a little bit, I added the lemon zest and about a cup of parmesan, and I mixed that until it started to melt, and then I added the rest of the parmesan. Then you could add back the shrimp as well. And of course, in the background I have the fettuccine noodles cooking, so I've cooked those and drained them. And I'm just going to dump all the sauce and the shrimp into that container, mix it around really well, and it's ready to serve. I was a little skeptical because it seems like a very simple recipe, but oh my gosh, it had so much flavor. You're just going to top it with some freshly ground black pepper and a little bit more cheese, and it is delicious. The kids even ate this. Kind of picked around the shrimp, but it's still a win. If you guys want to subscribe, make sure you check out my channel. I will have more recipes posted soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.